My dear respected brothers and sisters who can hear me, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you all with the greetings of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Almighty Allah be upon each and every one of you. I'm very honored to be here. It's very rare that I come to Sheffield, but I can't remember the last time I came to Sheffield to recite some nasheed, so I'm very honored to be here. I want to thank the organizers of Jami al-Huda for inviting me, especially Brother Zahir has also invited me. I want to start, with the durood of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. This is a nasheed that I've written myself, a naat you may want to call it. It's called His Name is Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. And I want everybody to join in because as the share is what's written on this wall. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. Everyone together. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. There is no man more dear to me throughout the whole of history than the one who was sent as a guide, leading people from darkness to light. His message was simple and clear, that there is one God whom we must all fear, inviting people towards Allah. His name is Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wasallam. His name is Muhammad Mustafa. Everyone. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. He is the greatest man of all time. He came to teach the whole of mankind that we must worship only one Lord. Besides him there is no other God. Islam is what he came to teach. To every corner of the world did he preach, that we can all come together and pray to the one who provides us each day, to the one who provides us each day. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. He was a shelter for the orphans and poor. He is my only ticket for the heaven door. He confirmed all that was sent before. Then the whole world, do I love him more. I swear if I only had a chance to go back in time for one glance at the face of Muhammad al-Amin, I would wonder whether I've had a dream. I would wonder whether I've had a dream. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت
حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. There is no one dear to me throughout the whole of history, the one who was sent as a guide, leading people from darkness to light. His message was simple and clear, that there is one God who must all fear, inviting people towards Allah. His name is Muhammad Mustafa. His name is Muhammad Mustafa. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الرجا بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الرجا بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله.